Under the text formatter basic formatting, you can specify any string of text and then you can apply any transformation that you want. For example, you can capitalize the text, you can lowercase the text, you can uppercase, title case, pluralize, you can remove HTML text, you can convert to ASCII character, you can extract email address, extract number, you can extract a phone number, you can extract a URL, length of a string and word count. Let me show you how it is done. This is a message. Hello, this is a message. It includes an email address abc@example.com and it also includes a URL which is https://pabbly.com. Okay, so this is a simple string that we have written. Let me first try to transform it by capitalizing it. Okay, so as soon as I select the transformation as capitalize, you will see that every single first letter will be capitalized. Okay, so hello, this is a message. You can see every single word is capitalized. The first letter is capitalized. If you are going to make it lowercase, you can see every letter in the string is now lowercased. And similar, you can apply the uppercase, title case and pluralize. At the same point of time, if you want to extract an email address from the entire string, you can just select the extract email address and just click on save and send a test request. And you can see the email address is extracted from the string of the characters. Similarly, if you want to extract a URL, you can also extract a URL. Okay, and you can see that URL has been extracted. Similarly, if you want to count the length of a string, just select the length of a string transformation and it will tell you the total length of a string. Okay, at the same point of time, if you want to see how many words are there, so you can just select word count, click on save and send a test request and it will give you that there are 20 words in total in this entire string. Similarly, you can also extract number. So for example, this is a number 9926465653, and if you select extract number, it will just extract the number as well. And lastly, it also extracts phone number. So let's just try this out as well. You can see that it extracted effectively any number it will extract. You can then decide to what you want to do with that specific number. And this covers the basic formatting of the text. And in the next video, I will be telling you about how you can find the text, how you can extract the pattern, how you can replace text, how to split the text, how to truncate it, how to encode, decode it, and how to parse the text. Thank you for watching this video.